Good morning and welcome back inside the mighty garage. Just taking a bit of a break, and thank you very much for all your cool comments about this Bonneville. That was a great shakedown ride. I really enjoyed it. I'm working through the list of items that I observed while I was riding the bike. I'll share more on that soon. And then turning to this bike here, this is the Comet, the Vincent Comet 500 single. This is the bike that I had before the repeat, and it's back on the bench and finally back together again. I had scavenged a number of parts off this bike to put on the repeat, and specifically the gas tank was the big one. I still need to work on the repeat tank. I need to put decals and stripes, so that's another project. So this is back on. I've replaced the mudguards or the fenders, although I do also have a new pair to go with the bike. And then just a few little bits and bobs here and there, and then I've also changed the oil. And so it's time to see if we can get this bike restarted after all this time. Well, here goes, guys. It's been a long time since I started this bike, so hopefully we'll get a success with this kickover. Put the gas on. Kick it through a few times first of all. Okay. I may have flooded it. Awesome. Time for one last ride. Well, this is great fun. I forgot how much fun it is. It's pretty powerful. Oh yeah, this is great. Oh, it's got lots of power. I forgot how much power it has. Well, this is it, an end of an era, guys. I've really enjoyed this bike over the years. I just haven't ridden it much, if at all, actually, for several years, and just felt like it was time to move it on to someone who can enjoy it and appreciate it as much as I have. I've done a lot of miles on this bike. It certainly sounds like a single, doesn't it? It's a very cool bike. Following my parts. Well, thanks a lot, guys. See you again next week.